Chunni and Munni's big soiree. Chunni and Munni were best friends. They studied in class 4 at Sunrise Public School and always sat together on the third bench near the window. Chunni was quiet and loved reading books, while Munni was full of energy and loved asking questions. One Monday morning, their teacher, Miss Rekha, announced, "This Friday, each student will present something for Talent Day. You can sing, dance, recite a poem, anything." Munni jumped with excitement. "Let's do something together, Chunni." Chunni hesitated. "I don't know. I get nervous in front of people." But Munni grinned. "That's why we'll do it together. How about a short play?" After school, they went to Chunni's house. They wrote a funny skit called The Lost Homework, a story about a girl who loses her homework only to find her dog wearing it like a hat. All week, they practiced. Chunni read her lines carefully, and Munni helped her add fun expressions and actions. Finally, Friday arrived backstage. Chunni's hands were cold. "What if I forget everything?" Munni squeezed her hand. "Don't worry, just look at me, we've got this." When they went on stage, Chunni's voice shook at first, but as the crowd laughed and clapped, she smiled and gained confidence. They finished the play with a funny bow, and the whole auditorium clapped loudly. Later, Miss Rekha said, "That was one of the best performances. And Chunni, you were amazing." Chunni looked at Munni and smiled. "I couldn't have done it without my best friend." From that day on, Chunni wasn't afraid of the stage anymore, and she and Munni became the most creative pair in school.